Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webull screener. First, navigate to the Markets tab and then select Screener. This tool helps you find stocks based on various criteria. You'll see options for different markets like US stocks, ETF, and more. Start by choosing your desired market to narrow down the initial selection. It's a powerful way to discover new investment opportunities quickly and efficiently. Now, let's dive into customizing your filters. Webull offers a wide range of technical and fundamental indicators. You can set parameters for things like price, volume, market capitalization, and even specific candlestick patterns. For example, you might look for stocks with a market cap over $1 billion and a daily volume exceeding 1 million shares. Experiment with different combinations to refine your search and pinpoint stocks that align with your strategy. Once you've created a screener you like, you can save it for easy access later. This is incredibly useful for consistently applying your investment strategy. Simply click the Save button, give your screener a descriptive name, and it will appear in your My Screeners list. You can then load it with one click. From the results, you can add stocks to your watch list or even initiate a trade directly, streamlining your workflow. To maximize your screener's potential, remember to explore Webull's pre-built screeners, which offer excellent starting points for various strategies. Always review and adjust your custom filters periodically to reflect current market conditions and your evolving investment goals. Staying flexible is key. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and happy screening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.